Greetings, tutor and colleagues. I am Diego Erlingenis, a student of Technology in Civil Work and Construction Management. I am going to tell about the city of Santa Marta. Santa Marta is a wonderful place to visit and spend your family vacation. El Rodadero is the most beautiful beach in Santa Marta. But Tayrona National Park is the most beautiful in Colombia. You must visit. In the Tayrona National Park, we find Cabo de San Juan, a beautiful beach. You must visit. Thank you very much.